What's going on, everyone? It's Ron from TST Industries, and today we are talking about the TST Industries set of Fender Eliminators for your 2017 and up Kawasaki Z650 and Ninja 650. Now, why would you possibly want a Fender Eliminator? As you'll see from the factory, these bikes will come with massive plastic on the back, a big old shovel. It's not very pretty. It's a bit of a monstrosity. It flaps around in the wind. We wanted to clean that up. So with that in mind, we decided to follow several avenues: form, fitment, and most importantly, function. So we give you a couple options to work with for your bike. Option number one is going to be our standard Fender Eliminator bracket. Now, this is laser cut steel. It is bent to a fixed angle. As you can see on the Z650, plate's gonna stay at one angle. This is gonna be your most cost-effective, most affordable option, the quickest, cleanest, easiest to get installed onto the bike without any permanent modifications. Moving on from there, if you want to clean that up, make it look a little bit nicer, we do have the Elite-1 standard kit. Now, this is going to come with that same standard bracket, but what's included to jazz this up for you is this closeout. Now, this closeout is made out of CNC Machine Billet aluminum. It is anodized black, and on it is inscribed a nice little TST logo for you to enjoy. It's just really going to help clean up the back end of that motorcycle, clean up those holes, and just make everything cohesive, looking real good for you. And option number three, the most premier of our Fender Eliminator systems, is going to be our Elite-1 adjustable system. This is going to allow you to fine-tune that hanging angle of your plate, get it exactly where you like it. So not only are you able to kind of customize that, but you're getting a higher quality product. We are moving on from the steel brackets to now a CNC Machine Billet aluminum bracket. This is anodized black. It is inscribed with the TST Industries logo, and it just looks much cleaner. It's very tech inspired. It looks great. Now, this system is also going to include that closeout, which again has the opening for any wire pass through that you may need to do. If you have no wires to pass through, we do include hardware to block that off, so no worries there. You'll still have a very clean look. Now, final summary. We have our standard fixed angle bracket. We have our Elite-1 standard system, which comes with the bracket and the closeout. And last but not least, we have the Elite-1 adjustable system, which again comes with that closeout. A final note for all of these systems, they are designed for US tags with a hole spacing of roughly 5 to 6 inches. So for our friends across the pond, verify that fitment. You may have to get a little creative with how you mount that, but that is what these are designed to fit. I hope you've enjoyed checking out these products with us. We very much enjoy them. We run them on all of our bikes here, and we hope that you find your way over to tstindustries.com. Check out these parts as well as any other parts for any other bikes you may have in your stable. Again, this is Ron from TST Industries. Have a good one.